When you first see hail damage, it can be very overwhelming. This vehicle is covered in dents, and if you didn't know any better, you would think this vehicle is now garbage. We actually repaired this entire vehicle with paintless dent repair, restoring each and every dent one at a time. This is what the trunk looked like when I was halfway done with the repair. This is proof it was not painted. A full transformation in 2 days, no paint or Bondo. This vehicle left with its factory finish as if nothing ever happened.